Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and Apple CarPlay not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back and guys, you need to open your settings in general. And guys, simply you need to open this. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, after this, simply you need to open your settings again and guys, scroll it down, click on general and guys, click on date and time and make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing this, you need to click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And after doing this, you need to go back and guys, click on language and region. Simply you need to click on region and guys, you need to select your region according to your country. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to update your software. So guys, simply when you update your iPhone to latest iOS version, then guys, after this, all the problems will be fixed on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.